Alright, so you've got Surfshark installed on your phone, but you've probably noticed a couple of features called CleanWeb and MultiHop that sound cool, yet a little confusing if you've never used them before. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what they do, how to set them up on mobile, and why they can make a difference in your online privacy and speed. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. Let's start with CleanWeb, because this one's easy to overlook but powerful once you start using it. CleanWeb is Surfshark's built-in ad blocker, tracker blocker, and malware filter all in one. When you turn it on, it automatically filters out malicious domains and known ad servers before they ever reach your browser or app. That means fewer pop-ups and ads when you're browsing, faster website load times, and less risk of landing on phishing or infected websites. You don't need to install any browser or extension apps. It all runs directly through Surfshark's VPN tunnel. Alright, let's actually turn this thing on. Open the Surfshark app on your phone, tap the settings icon in the bottom corner, go to features, and you'll see CleanWeb right there. Just toggle it on, that's it. Once it's enabled, it starts blocking ads system-wide, even in other apps, not just your browser. Now, you might notice that some websites that rely on ad scripts for functionality could behave a little differently. So if something doesn't load right, you can quickly toggle it off and back on when you're done. CleanWeb 2.0, which Surfshark introduced in the newer versions, even includes protection against cookie pop-ups and URL trackers. So yeah, it's a big step up from a regular ad blocker. Now, let's talk about MultiHop, sometimes called a double VPN on other platforms. This feature lets you route your connection through 2 VPN servers instead of one. Think of it like having an extra privacy layer. Your internet traffic goes through server A first, then server B, before it reaches the site you're visiting. This makes it much harder for anyone, even your ISP or government, to trace your online activity back to your physical location. For example, you could connect from Singapore, Netherlands, or United States, UK, depending on what combination Surfshark gives you. Yes, it can slow a speed slightly because your data travels twice, but for privacy, it's one of the strongest tools you can use. Okay, let's set it up step by step. Open the Surfshark app, tap Locations on the main screen, scroll to the MultiHop tab. It's usually right next to all servers. You'll see a list of server pairs, each showing 2 countries. For example, France via Singapore means your traffic first passes through Singapore, then exits through France. Tap the pair you want, and Surfshark will connect automatically. That's it, you're now using MultiHop on mobile. If you want the strongest privacy possible, like when you're traveling, using public Wi-Fi, or dealing with sensitive accounts, this setup is perfect. Alright, now that it's on, when should you actually use MultiHop? When you're on public Wi-Fi, airports, cafes, hotels, these are data sniffing hotspots. MultiHop keeps you double encrypted. When you're working with sensitive data, freelancers, remote workers, journalists, it's a great safeguard. When you're in regions with surveillance or censorship, then double layer makes it much harder for local ISPs or firewalls to monitor or block your connection. That said, if you're gaming or streaming, you might want to switch back to a single server for faster speeds. But for privacy-first browsing, MultiHop is unbeatable. Here's a little pro tip. If you really want to tighten your privacy setup, use CleanWeb and MultiHop together. With CleanWeb blocking malicious sites and ads, and MultiHop encrypting your connection twice, you've basically built yourself a portable, encrypted browsing shield. And the great part, Surfshark still performs really well, even with both features turned on. They've optimized their WireGuard protocol, so you get strong encryption and solid speeds. So even if you're using mobile data, you won't see a massive drop in performance. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips for using Surfshark efficiently on your phone. Auto-connect. Go to Settings, VPN Settings, Auto-connect, and set it to trigger automatically on Wi-Fi or mobile networks. Bypass or split tunneling. This lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which don't. Super Super helpful if you want your banking app to run outside the VPN. CleanWeb 2.0 upgrades. Make sure your app's updated to the latest version to get tracker and cookie pop-up blocking built in. These small tweaks really enhance your privacy without adding complexity. So CleanWeb is your silent background guard against ads and trackers. And MultiHop is your privacy booster that gives you extra protection wherever you go. If you're someone who travels often or just want tighter security on mobile, this combo is 100% worth setting up. Surfshark makes it super beginner friendly, everything's toggle based, and you don't have to be tech savvy to use it. If you're committing to the long haul with Surfshark, you're looking at as little as $1.99 per month when you grab their 2-year starter deal. But if you go month to month, it jumps to around $15.45 US per month. If you want to get started, we have that link right for you at the bottom. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. It's these commissions that really help the channel and allow us to continue bringing you free content like this. So if you use it, thank you in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you never miss another video. We cover all things VPN, cybersecurity, and more on this channel. So be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.